Next up, we have Denesh Bhabuta on DNS Resolver Operators. Is it time to organise?
Thank you, Kathy. I'm Denesh Bhabuta here in my own capacity. Anyway, a quick show of hands. How many people in this room run their own DNS resolvers, either for your own organization or public? Okay, so quite a few of you. So anyway, this is likely a talk for you, but also for discussion amongst everyone else. The idea for this came along in as a conversation in a cab in Bucharest on the way to the last right meeting. It was a simple thing. Does anyone actually represent DNS resolver operators when decisions that affect them get made? And we couldn't think of anyone, so this is why we're here. So thinking about Sarah's talk yesterday, which came up yesterday, she used the phrase chicken and egg problem. And it was in a different technical context entirely, but the pattern was identical to what I want to describe. Operators individually recognize the issue. Nobody wants to move first. No shared structure to act through. And then things get stalled. So that same dynamic is playing out for resolver operators, except the pressure is no longer just technical, it's regulatory, and it's escalating. So I have some examples on the screen. Germany had the first court order against a public resolver. Italy has 30-minute compliance windows, no judicial review, and I don't know if you remember, but Google Drive was accidentally blocked nationwide for that reason. In France, a provider ordered to block over 100 domains, couldn't comply with it, so they withdrew from France, then they withdrew from Belgium. And in Paris in 2025, simultaneous orders were made against ISPs, resolvers, and VPNs at once. And now we have the US that has proposed legislation to make this mandatory. And this is for all resolver types. It's for ISPs, it's for public, it's for corporates, and the courts aren't distinguishing. So the Internet Society said it plainly last November. Fragmented rules across jurisdictions multiply compliance, costs, and the only largest operators can absorb them, and smaller operators just then exit. So, is now the time to organize? I've already had the skeptical response. Someone I respect within this industry told me that they don't see a compelling shared need. But then they also said that they wished resolver operators had a forum they could address because of issues with the root server system. Even the skeptics would use it. So here are 4 questions that I'd like you to ponder and to give feedback to the group who are involved in this. Is there a compelling need, shared problem, or are operators too fragmented to act together? 2, would you actually join a group that brings this together? Would there be a membership fee? Would there be an annual conference? This is just in practice what would happen. 3, where does it sit? Does it sit within RSS governance, regulatory lobbying, or something else entirely? And 4, what shape does it take? Is it a forum? Is it a policy voice? Best practice publisher? A mix of all of those 3. So these are the questions I'd like you all to think about. So come and find us during the rest of this conference, during the rest of OARC, and also during the week. So Leo Vagoda and I have been working on this in the background. Andrew Campbell, who's in the room as well, we've been in discussion with him about various things. And so Andrew and I are here today. Leo will be coming at the right meeting as well, so you'll be able to talk to the 3 of us, but also you can find us on LinkedIn. Thank you.